Hi, good morning. Our attitude comes from our belief system. Belief system. So, God focuses on our belief system. Where came from what we hear? What we hear is what we believe, right? So, where came from what we hear? It came from our teachers, the cultures that we have, the teachers, the politicians, the society that we have, or the parents. What they told to us is what we believe and what we become right now. That's why, for us to change, we need to disrupt what we hear. Be very careful of what we hear. And for us to change, we have to disrupt all the things that we hear. Ay maging maingat tayo kung ano yung pinapakinggan natin, kasi kung ano yung pinapakinggan natin, yun yung pinaniniwalaan natin. That's why we have to be careful about that. Kasi what we hear, what we believe, what we become. We have to be aware kung ano yung pinapakinggan natin, kasi yun yung pinaniniwalaan natin. Yun yung nagiging system natin. Yun yung nagiging tayo. Yun yung nagiging attitude natin. Yun yung nagiging behavior natin. That's why, piliin natin kung ano yung tamang dapat pakinggan. Kung ano yung mga dapat pakinggan. You have to disrupt all the things na hindi naman nakakatulong or hindi tama na pakinggan natin. Kasi, we are not aware na nagiging tayo yun, nagiging system natin yun, nagiging nakaka-apekto sa behavior and attitude natin yun. Hope this simple motivational talk tumatak sa atin at meron tayong matutunan. Remember, what we believe is what we hear. And what we hear is what we believe, what we became. So, for you to change, disrupt everything that you hear that's not good for you. Thank you everyone, and hope you learned something about this. And maging aware tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. Thank you and God bless.